Okay, today we're gonna do an oil change on a different truck. Today we're doing an oil change on a Freightliner, an M2 business class with a C7. It's a C7 ASAT engine. So I'm gonna do an oil change on it. So we already drained the oil. The truck was running last night, so it was nice and hot. So when the driver came in, we brought him in and we drained the oil last night. So today we're just taking off the filter. Let me see if I can get a good shot. We're gonna take off the oil filter. Well, oil filter slipped and fell on the ground, but we didn't spill that much oil. We managed to salvage just a little bit spilled. So we took the oil filter off. So now we have to try and take the fuel filters. I want to see if we can not and remove the fuel filter here. So I can put the camera down. Man, we're lucky. Managed to get it off without a fuel filter wrench. Get some nylon gloves here. Well, I want to try and change the filter. We want to try and change the filter in the bowl there too, but I don't have a wrench for that, so I have to go to the parts store and buy one. So I'll be back and make another video on that. Okay, cool.